Applying for jobs can be really hard, and it can feel really simple to feel like you're a failure because you're applying for jobs and maybe you're not hearing anything back. While there are definitely a lot of things that are completely out of your control when it comes to the job search, there's definitely something that you do have control over, and that's your resume. If you got passed up for a job offer or even for that interview, stop dwelling on the past. Let's use this as an opportunity to be proactive about moving forward for a better future. In this video, we're gonna go over some common reasons why your resume didn't make the cut the first time around and what you can do to change that. And we wanna hear from you. Do you have any resume hacks? Let us know in the comments below. Hi Contessas, I'm Laura McGoodwin, founder and CEO of Career Contessa, the only career site built inclusively for women. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we drop videos weekly. Here are 4 major reasons why your resume was rejected and how to fix them moving forward. Reason number 1, there were too many applicants. On average, each corporate job posting attracts 250 plus resumes. Of these candidates, only about 4 to 6 on average will actually get called for an interview, and guess what? Only 1 will get the job. Because we have such easy access to these online job postings, it's common to feel like there must be something wrong with you if you didn't get a call back. The problem is, even if you are a great candidate and you are totally qualified for the job, you might get passed up just because of the sheer volume of resumes and applicants that are applying. Oftentimes there are so many applicants that finding the ones that should move forward is like finding the needle in the haystack. It's really challenging. How to fix it? You should focus on getting your resume in front of the right eyes by targeting your search. Often that means reaching out directly to a hiring manager via LinkedIn or through a mutual connection in your network. Reason number 2, you didn't customize your resume to the job you were applying for. With the number of applicants increasing, many hiring managers and recruiters default to either using an applicant tracking system or doing keyword searches to determine if candidates are qualified. Keyword searches are a really easy way to determine if an applicant actually has the skills and experience that the recruiter and the hiring manager is looking for. How to fix it? The best way to ensure that you come up on keyword searches is to go through the job descriptions that you're interested in and applying to, and integrate those keywords and phrases throughout your documents. Do your desired job descriptions utilize keywords or phrases that you can use in your resume? Does a job description have a more eloquent way of wording one of your job duties? If you're not using current job postings to help you write your resume, you're doing yourself a disservice. See how industry professionals talk about jobs and utilize that in your documents. Using industry jargon will also help you appear more professional and knowledgeable about what you do. And an added bonus, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile by taking those same keywords and putting them there as well. We recorded a live webinar about how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile and double your job leads. In case you want to check that out, we linked to that in the description below. Reason number 3, your resume highlights your job duties and not your achievements. Studies show that hiring managers and recruiters, on average, only take about 6 seconds to review a resume. Because recruiters and hiring managers don't have time to thoroughly go through every document, you need to make sure that your resume immediately reflects your achievements and what you can bring to the company. How to fix it? Anyone can say that they're great at their job, but very few people can actually show it. When you're noting your achievements, think about how you can quantify what you've done. Some examples of questions to ask yourself include, how many people did you manage? Did you increase productivity or sales by a percentage or dollar amount? Did you save the company money? Did you secure any partnerships? Did you get awarded or recognized for anything? Did you work with any big budget or notable clients or partners? The more evidence that you can provide to really support the claim that you're an amazing employee, the better, and it will be super impressive. Also, it's a great way to stand out. Reason number 4, you didn't use any active verbs in your resume. Subjective terms and cliches are actually seen as kind of big negatives. And the reason why is because they don't really convey anything that feels real and authentic. Instead of using the phrase results driven, Try saying something along the lines of, pitched and cultivated a relationship with, enter the company name, securing $10,000 partnership for 2016. This sentence shows that you actively pursued a client and got a result, and it's a result that we can actually understand, that $10,000 deal. Using active verbs and integrating metrics creates a stronger claim than using common resume phrases. How to fix it? Still struggling with verbiage? Check out this article for a list of powerful verbs to utilize on your resume. We've linked it in the description. You'll notice that all of these active verbs that we've listed articulate achievement and motivation, which is extremely important. Don't use the same verbs over and over and over again. One, that's kind of weird, but it's also boring, and it also doesn't show any creativity. Make sure that you're using different active verbs to start new sentences and talk about new activities and those bullet points in your resume. So those are 4 major reasons why your resume was rejected. Securing a new position can seem really intimidating, especially with the number of applicants that are out there. So you really want to make sure that you're doing your best to avoid some of these easy mistakes that will make your resume go straight to the no pile instead of the yes pile. But remember, knowledge is power. And now that you know what these mistakes are and how to fix them, you can move forward in a better way and hopefully have better results as well. If you find yourself needing help deciding which resume format is right for you, download our free resume quiz. That's linked in the description. And remember, we want to hear from you. Do you have any amazing resume hacks? Let us know in the comments below. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe to our channel because we drop videos weekly.